In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix wireless display not showing in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the first fix. Now that is to check if you've got Windows display feature installed. So Windows 11 doesn't always install it by default. So now to do this, we'll first want to click on the search, go into settings. Now once we're in the settings, we need to tap onto apps on the left hand side. Then to the right, we need to find optional features. So on my screen, if it doesn't show up in apps, it might be in system. So yeah, try apps or system and then look for optional features. So if I scroll down here it is here. So yeah, mine it's in system. Now from here, we want to go ahead and tap onto view features, click onto yes. And then it says here, see all available features, so you can find all available optional features inside of here. Now from here, what we want to do is scroll down, look for wireless display. So here it is here. So I want to go ahead and click onto that and add that one. So now that's going to add wireless display. Now what it's going to do here, it's going to start adding that wireless display feature on your computer. So just give that a few moments while it adds that. Now while that's doing its thing, another fix what we can do is look for or update graphics on Wi-Fi drivers. So outdated drivers are a very common cause. So from this, we want to go to device manager, to type in device manager, click into it. And now we want to go ahead and update two things here. So the first thing is display adapters. So look for that and then go ahead and update driver. So go ahead and update your display adapters. And also network adapters. So here it is here. Go ahead and update your network adapter. Here it is on mine, Intel Wireless. Update driver, search all drivers automatically. Now if there are any updates, they're going to update it for you here, but I've already got mine up to date. Now once it adds this wireless display, you should be able to connect to it. If you don't see it automatically after it, you might need to restart your PC and then open it up.